How to change profile picture on LinkedIn. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the LinkedIn application on your device and make sure you are signed in. Now, tap on your profile icon on the top left of your screen and then tap on your profile picture you see there. You will then be led to your profile. So in your profile, tap on your profile icon again and you will see the option to view or edit profile photo or add frame. So tap on the view or edit profile photo option and then go ahead and tap on the add photo option and then either choose if you want to take a photo immediately or if you want to upload from your photos. I will choose upload from photos. So go ahead and select the photo that you want to upload as your profile picture and then go ahead and make any required changes and finally tap on done. And with this, as you can see, your profile picture will be changed. So this is how you can change profile picture on LinkedIn. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.